Hi, I recently entered a competition to be BAFTA Kids Young Presenter, so all I had to do was film a 2-minute video on the theme of how to. I thought it would be quite easy to make just a 2-minute video, but on my first go it ended up being 4 minutes long, but I thought it was such a funny video I just had to show you. Hi, I'm Poppy, I'm 13 and I'm reporting for BAFTA Kids and I'm going to show you how to make an ice cream sundae. So first of all, I'm going to start off with cutting some strawberries up for it. And here's a few that I've made earlier. But I'm also showing you this little hack and trick that you can do with strawberries and the straw to get the stalky, disgusting bit out. So you just stab it in the bottom and hope you got to aim for the middle and it should pop the stalk out a bit. Okay, that was a bit of a fail. Yeah. So, 1 strawberry. I could do 1 more for good luck. Would it work? Ah! I'm failing at these today. Yeah. So, that's my strawberries. So I'm going to start off with putting a few of these in the bottom of the glass. That'll be fine. And then I'm going to try and be really artistic and swirl it around like they do at the proper ice cream shops. It's probably not going to work. Wish us luck. Oh no! What am I doing? Oh no! Oh! That actually went okay. Now, this is for the tricky bit. I'm going to try and use an ice cream scoop without it hopefully failing. But, just as I'm amazed by this ice cream scoop. It's really cool. I'm sorry, it's really weird, but I don't know, it just amazes us so much. So I'm using bubblegum flavoured ice cream and an Eat and Mess ice cream. So, oh my gosh. I've got a backup spoon in case it fails. Oh, wait. Oh, nope. I've broken already? Alright. Oh, that's nice and cold, which is really nice. Now for the Eat and Mess one. Oh, I don't want all of that. Oh my gosh. Ah. Oh, it's not going to look the prettiest, but I'm just hoping it tastes alright. There. No, I need more ice cream than that. What am I doing? There. That. Oh, my sauce is sunk down to the bottom. Oh. Now for the whipped cream. This is the best part. If I can open the lid. Right, remember, you take the first bit out. Okay, that was nice. Right, I'm going to try and be artistic again here. Shake it up. Oh, that's quite pretty actually. That's going to fall when I put this on, isn't it? Oh, yes. I'm going to add a few couple of strawberries. This looks really nice. Looks really nice. Everything's falling apart. Oh, really sticky. Taste test. Oh! Oh my gosh, there's cream everywhere. It's really nice, but really cold. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it didn't make you too peckish for a Sunday. Bye! I hope you enjoyed that video and wish me luck, and I wish everybody else luck who's entered. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe. Bye!